and drift away.
Hey, what's up guys? Big Easy here with another video, and today I ordered a fidget spinner. I went on Amazon.com and I ordered it has LED lights in it, and I don't know what the hell a fidget spinner is, so that's why I ordered one, to make a video about it and show you guys. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so I'm headed down my driveway straight to the mailbox. As you can see, the mailbox is right there. So we're headed down to get my fidget spinner. And if you guys want this fidget spinner, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below, fidget spinner. Okay guys, we're at the mailbox. Yep, pretty ragged mailbox. But anyway, here it is. Now, if I can, you see that in there? They didn't come in a package, it just came in this. Well, let's see if it's any good. I mean, I've looked at the reviews on fidget spinners, and especially this one, and they say it's pretty good. I mean, like, fidget spinners are like the new craze now, so it's like I just wanted to make a video on it. But yeah, I finally got a fidget spinner, and it's time to make a video about it. So, let's sit down and make a video. Alright, here we go, guys. So here's the spinner. I'm going to turn the camera over, like that, so you guys can see it better. So here's the fidget spinner. Okay. Yeah, you can see it. Well, this is it. And I don't know what to do with it. I think you spin it like that. I don't even know how to activate the lights. I think I'm starting to get it. Like that. Oh! There we go. Fidget spinner. Okay. So guys, I think this is how you do it. Yeah. So guys, I'll be back when, wow, that looks so cool on the camera. But guys, I'll, be back when I properly know how to do it. Alright guys, Fidget. Thank you guys so much for watching me learn, and I'll be back when I'm really good at it. Alright guys, I'm back, and I'm finally know how to activate the LED lights and spin it properly. So, I'm going to get the camera and just set it down on the stairs if I can get a good look. Okay guys, sorry about the camera, it's kind of weird. Okay, if you guys can see this, if you can't, I'm sorry, but that's how you spin it, like that. Well, at least that's how I found out. And then you hit these buttons to activate the LED lights. So, it looks cool. And it looks really cool in the dark. Like, I spent all night learning how to do this. And I got it finally. But yeah. So, if you guys want this, subscribe, leave a like, comment down below, and comment fidget spinner. And so yeah, I'm gonna pick somebody to win this fidget spinner. But if you want it, you must subscribe. So yeah. But yeah, well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you want this fidget spinner, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!